Tasbia. Viewers, look. The Tasbia. What is the age? What is kata? 24 months age baby, you look. There is a dysmorphic face, you look. There is a upward. There is a upward slanting eye, frontal bruising and depressed nasal bridge, outward slanting eye, large protruded tongue, large protruded tongue. This is the case of Down syndrome. So, what is a Down syndrome? It is a chromosomal abnormality. It is a numerical abnormality of the chromosome due to in state of 46 chromosome, she had got 47 chromosome. So, this is due to the non-rejection of the chromosome. That is, failure to separate the chromosome during gametogenesis. There is a trisomy 21. Total chromosome number is 47. Trisomy 21. What is the clinical manifestation? The clinical manifestations of the baby is hypotonia and mental retardation. Now, what is the treatment plan? The treatment plan of the baby is just parents' assurance. Just parents' assurance and physiotherapy. Thank you very much for patient hearing.